Welcome back to Math Class Children. We were discussing the chapter Lines and Angles. We were in exercise 6.2. In the sixth question, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. See the figure, children. This is your figure. See in the question, two PQ and RS are two mirrors parallel to each other. These two are parallel lines. These two are mirrors, and AB is incident ray. AB is called incident ray. So it is striking on the mirror, okay, PQ mirror, and reflects back. Okay, this is called reflecting ray. BC is called reflecting ray. When a ray falls on the mirror, it reflects back. Alva? Reflect agi baratte. So AB is called incident ray and BC is called reflected ray. And here BC is, it is the reflected ray strikes the RS line and again it reflects back along CD. Okay, incident ray, AB incident ray ಏನಿದೆ PQ ಮೇಲೆ strike ಆಗಿ reflect ಆಗಿ RS mirror ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು again it is reflecting ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ reflect ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That is what CD. So BC and CD both are reflected rays. Okay, here AB is incident ray. So what is our question? You are going to prove AB is parallel to CD. Okay, children. So if RS mirror ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, did you understand the question? Okay, we'll see how to prove both are parallel to each other. Exercise 2.6.2 in that last question, 6th sum. I will draw the figure here. These two are parallel lines. These are mirrors, two mirrors parallel to each other. Okay, children, these two are mirrors. A, B, this is PQ and R. PQ and RS are two mirrors. AB is incident ray. See, incident ray and reflects back. And striking the mirror RS, again reflects back. It is CD. Okay, children. Now, solution. So what I will do here, I will draw a, this is called normal. So I'm drawing perpendicular line to the mirror PQ as well as line RS. Okay, This is what perpendicular drawn to the both the parallel lines. Call it as M. So I'm writing that. Let us draw BM is parallel to PQ and CN is perpendicular to RS. Okay, children. See here, PQ is parallel to RS and BM is parallel to CN. So can you write this? See, PQ, these two are parallel lines, right? No? See, this perpendicular line and this, because the parallel lines are nothing but the distance between the lines will be constant, alva? So, distance ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ parallel lines. BM is parallel to CN. Now I'll give the numbers here 1, 2, and this is 3 and 4. See, I will write here BM and CN are parallel lines. Okay, here BC, these two are parallel lines. You can call BC as, BC is equal to what, children? Can you call it as transversal? Transversal. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆರಡು ನಿಮಗೆ BM ಮತ್ತೆ CN parallel lines ಆಗಿದೆ. BC ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Transversal ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So, and one more thing, children. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, when we draw, this is called normal. ಇದು physics ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, law of reflection ಅಂತ. So angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So angle of incidence. So incident ರೇಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So these two are equal anta helthivi. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Okay. So then you can write 1 is equal to 2. So here also BC is striking and it is incident ray. CD is reflected ray. So here also angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So you can write angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Here angle 1 and 2 are equal. Here 3 and 4 are equal. See, if you take this concept, transversal and parallel lines, these two are parallel lines and this is transversal. So which angles are equal here? See, Z shape ide alva? MB, C ಮತ್ತೆ N ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 and 3 are called. What type of angles are there? These two are alternate angles, right? So you can write 2 is equal to 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 is equal to 3. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 4. And we are saying 2 is equal to 3. ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 is equal to 3 ಅಂತಂದಾಗ, so you can write 1 is equal to 2, that is equal to 3, that is equal to 4, right? So that all the angles are equal anta ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. So that's why you can say BM is parallel. BM and CN are parallel lines. Okay, children, I will show you how to write that. See, therefore BC is transversal, so you can write angle 2 is equal to angle 3. These two are alternate angles. So, and we know that 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. That is loss of reflection. Loss of reflection. So now you can say, so from 1 and 2 you can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And also you can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, right? 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 4. Then 1 plus 2 is what? That is your ABC. Angle ABC is equal to angle BCDR. Okay, children. So both are equal and you can write ABC is parallel to CD. Just write angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Next, transversal parallel lines concept tagondo. 2 is equal to 3. They are alternate angle. So all the angles are equal. So 1 plus 2 is equal to, that is what, B angle. 3 plus 4 is angle C. So you can say AB is parallel to CD. Second one. Yesterday I explained that first some children in that. So today I am doing second one. I will draw the figure here. XYZ is a triangle and it is 54 degree. They have given two angles X and Y. X is 62 degree. Y is 54. We don't know the angle Z. You have to find it. Let us see what is given. Write what is given in the question. Angle X is equal to 62 degree. Angle Y is equal to 54 degree. We don't know the angle Z and O. You have to find out Z and O, children. OZY. OZY is equal to question mark. Yes. See, what are the saying? ZO and OY. OY and OZ are bisect, children, which is OY and OZ are bisectors. You know the meaning of bisector, right? So OY is bisecting the angle Y. OZ is bisecting the angle Z. Bisect andre eno equal agi divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. The whole angle Y is 54, children. See, in the triangle, take the triangle XYZ. In that, we know two angles, right? So Z is equal to, what can you write? 180 minus. So sum is 180. 62 plus 54, that is 116. Right? That is equal to 64. Angle Z is equal to 64. And the full angle 64 anta tegobeko. Next, how will you take this? Z matra beku andre naven madbeku. We know that it is bisector. It divides equally. So divide by 2 madre nimge each angle estirutte anta barutte. 3s are 2s are, it is 32 degree. Okay, children. here also you have to find the angle O. Okay, we got the angle Z, that is 30 degree. And what is Y here? Y is 54, right? Then each angle, so e angle ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ separate ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ angle? Each angle will be y by 2, that is 54 by 2. 2 2s are 4, that is 27 degree. This is 27 and this is 32. 37, 32. And you can find the angle O, right? So 180 minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ angle ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Let us write step by step. Yes. Right here. We know that angle x plus angle y, y means xyz, xyz. Because here we have two angles, no children, you have to mention, you have to use three letters, xyz or oyz. Two angles ಇದೆ, ನೀವು so three letters use ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Plus for z also xzy, full angle na ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. xzy, that is equal to 180 degree. What is x angle here? 62. xyz, y angle is 54 and xzy is equal to 180. Therefore, xzy is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54, that is 116. The angle is 64. So Z angle is 64. Then you can write OZY, angle OZY, and then just E angle ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So it will be half of 64, alva? So half of 64, that is 64 by 2, that is equal to, see you write here, OZ is a bisector. Next, similarly, y is equal to angle OYZ is equal to, what is angle y here? It is 54. So 54 by 2, that is 27 degree. It is 27. It is 32. So then what is your angle O? So I will write directly, children. Angle O plus 27 plus 32 is equal to 180. Then angle O is equal to 180 minus 59, that is equal to 121 degree. This is the value of O. That is the measurement of angle O. YOZ or ZOY is equal to 121 degree. Next one. I will draw the figure. A, B, C, D, E. They have given A angle Angle A is 35 degree. Angle D is 53 degree. You have to find out the remaining angles, children. First, write what is given in the figure. AB is parallel to DE. It is given in the question. Let's write what in ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then BAC is equal to 35 degree and CDE is equal to 53 degree. You have to find out DCE. DCE angle question mark. Okay, children. See, since they are telling AB is parallel to DE, both are parallel lines, right? See, here it is 35. Which angle will be 35 here? Yes. See, angle E. Z shape allide alva. So, yav angles anta heltivi. These are alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal in parallel line. So, A angle is 35. So, angle E and then CED. Angle CED is also 35. So, angle A is 35. So, if you know two angles, you can find another angle, right? 180 minus madadre nimge angle C sigatte. Okay, let us see how to write this. AB is parallel to DE and AE is here, which is transversal AE. Okay, which is joining A and B. Then ನಾವು transversal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. AE is a transversal. AE is a transversal. Now you can write angle BAC is equal to angle CED. Right here, alternate angles are equal. Then CED, we know the value of BAC, that is 35 degree. Therefore, angle CED is equal to 35 degree. Then the sum of angles, angle C plus, write directly, we have only single angles. So you can use only single alphabet. That is angle C plus, angle D plus, angle E is equal to 180. What is angle C here? C we don't know, write as it is. D is 53 and E is 35. That is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 88. That is equal to 180 minus 88 is 10 minus 8 is 2, 7. That is, yes, 92 degree. The angle C is equal to 92 degree, children. Okay. We'll see the next question. $95. This is T. $75 is. So figure ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Two lines are intersecting at the point T, right? Line PQ and RS intersecting at the point T. So vertically opposite angles are equal. here already they have given two angles. You can find the third angle, right? So that opposite angles will be equal. So idu ashte barutte. Then if you know these two, you can find the angle Q. Okay, children, it is very easy lesson. Okay, nimge geometry, if you should know the basic concepts. Basic concepts gotaito andre you can solve any problem in the geometry. Okay. So write what is given in the question. Given PRT, angle PRT, that is equal to 40 degree, and RPT, angle P is 95 degree, and TSQ is equal to 75 degree. Then find SQT. SQT. You have to find this angle. Okay, that is equal to question mark. So if you want to find this, you must find this angle, right? No, PTR na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first. Right, we know that in triangle there are two triangles, right? PTR, in triangle PTR, angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR. Because at the point T we have two angles. Ikkada ondide, ikkada ondide. So you should not write T, children, because ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ಇದ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ single alphabet. Okay, here use three letters, that is PTR. Now you know which angle is this, right? ನಾವು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. That is equal to 180 degree. Angle P is 95, angle R is 40 degree, and PTR is equal to 180 degree. Then PTR is equal to 180 minus, what is 95 and 40? It is 135, right? That is equal to 45. 180. Your PTR is 45 degree. So if it is 45, this is also 45, right? Vertically opposite angles are equal. So I will write here PTR is equal to STQ, right? That is equal to 45 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, in triangle STQ, angle S plus angle Q plus angle STQ is equal to 180, right? Then SQ, angle Q is equal to, you can write 180 minus, what is S plus T? S plus T is 75 plus 45. It is 120. That is equal to 60 degree. So our Q is 60 degree. Okay, children. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We'll go for the next one. 6.3, fifth sum. This is right angle. Diagonal. P, Q, R, S, T. And this is 65 degree, X, 28 degree, and this is Y, you have to find out x and y. See children, write what is given. So PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral. Here angle P is equal to 90 degree. Angle SQR is equal to 28 degree, and QRT, that is X, it is the line SR is produced, alva. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು line na extend ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. This is what exterior angle is 65 degree. So you have to find out X and Y is equal to question mark. Okay children, see I have explained this concept. Exterior degree, for example, if it is 100 degree, the sum of interior opposite angles are equal to 100. Exterior angle is equal to interior. Okay, interior and the inside the triangle. Opposite angles and the yaad baratte. These two are opposite to 100 degree. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 100 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. For example, it is 60 degree. How much it will be? Another angle, it will be 40. Because if you add these two, you have to get 100. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಇದೆ, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 100 minus 60, that is 40. So like that, you have to find the angles when exterior angle has given. Okay children, now it is 65. Exterior angle 65 degree ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದು 28 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ರೈಟ್ ನೋ? ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ PQ, okay. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. PQ is perpendicular to PS. PQ is perpendicular to, okay. Okay, let us see, first find this children. Later on we'll go for that. Right here in triangle SQR, so how can you write this? 65 1 second children. Okay, PQ is parallel to SR and QR is the PQ and SR. These two are parallel lines and QR is a transversal. QR is a transversal. Of course, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 28 is equal to 65. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಮೆಥಡ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 65 minus 28, 65 minus 28, that is 37 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So if it is 37, x is also 37, right? 37 plus 28, that is equal to 65 bantu. So yav method adru madi enu problem illa. Okay, PQ and SR are parallel lines, QR is transversal, so directly you can write x plus 28 is equal to 65. Okay, x plus 28 degree is equal to 65. Alternate angles are equal. Or you can use this method also, no problem. Or you can use one more method. When a line is standing on the straight line, alva linear pair of angle 65 ide. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? 180 minus 65 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? 115 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಅವಾಗ if you know these two, you can find this angle anyway. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ children, no problem. Okay, then x is equal to 65 minus 28. Then x is equal to 37. Then triangle SPQ. In triangle SPQ, so we know these two angles, you can find y alva. ಇದೆರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ y find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Angle P plus x plus y is equal to 180. What is angle P? It is given 90 degree. X is, just now we found it, that is 37 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then y is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 37, that is 127, right? That is equal to 53 degree. Angle y is 53 degree. Angle x is 37 degree. Okay children, so ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 65 180 minus 65 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 180 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ then next is these two are same, right? ಸೊ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 3 ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6th sum. I will draw the figure here. Yes, these two are equal. And here, these two are equal. Equal means it is a bisector anta. Okay, children. Say PQ R S T. Okay, here QT. TQ is bisector for this angle, Q angle, and TR is bisector of angle R. Okay, it is dividing equally. Then what is given? Angle PQR, PQR and PRS. Meet at the point T. Okay, so you are proving QTR is equal to half into half of angle QPR. Okay, children. So already in the figure it is showing these two are equal anta. Okay, bisector adu, and you have to prove QTR and the yaad baratte QT e angle QTR is equal to half of QPR. QPR, this is half of this angle anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, let us see how to prove it. In triangle QTR, QTR ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ QTR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? TRS. See, I will draw here, children. QTR. QTR triangle, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ so TRS. TRS is a exterior angle. Okay, children. TRS is exterior angle. So ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ TRS exterior angle is equal to ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? QTR plus TQR. Can you write this? So exterior angle is equal to sum of these two angles alva, angle T plus angle Q barita idivi. Okay, exterior angle is equal to angle T plus angle Q anta baritini. Okay, in QTR, angle QTR plus angle TQR, that is equal to angle TRS. Got it, children? Then angle QTR. So now idanne prove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So QTR ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. QTR is equal to TRS minus TQR. Okay, children? So call it equation number 1. Once again, I will explain that. And in triangle PQR, another triangle PQR tagondaga, okay? So PQR draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. PQR tagondaga, PQR, yes. So here, which is exterior angle, here you can write PRS. PRS, artha agtadya? PRS, it is exterior angle, children. Idu namge exterior angle barta ide. Now you can write this angle is equal to P plus Q, right? So I will write here triangle PQR, QPR plus QPR plus PQR PQR, that is equal to PRS. Okay, children. Now QPR hage itkolli, write as it is. Now I will write PQR ide alva, PQR plus alli ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, since these two are equal, so ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 times of TQR ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. PQR ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ Q is equal to 2TQR ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. 2TQR. T 2 times ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫುಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ Q ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 angles ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ 2 TRS? Okay children, 2 TRS. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ Q ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. TTQR ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ TRS ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. 2 TRS ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. 2 angles ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. Okay, now once again I will write children. QPR plus 2TQR is equal to TRS. Okay, you can write QT and RT are bisectors. Angle bisector. So now you can write angle QPR is equal to. So shift, I'm shifting this because you need QPR in the prove ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ QPR ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So keep as it is in the left side children, and TRS minus, shift this to right hand side, it becomes minus TQR. So first equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ QTR ಬಂದಿದೆ, and second equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ QPR ಇದೆ left hand side. So keep as it is. Okay, now QPR is equal to 2 times of what is TRS? TRS minus so figure ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Sorry. Okay, P Q R S T. Okay, TRS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? TRS ಈ angle ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right, I will write here TRS minus TQR. Okay, angle TQR, that is equal to 2 into TRS minus TQR. TQR. TRS minus TQR. See the first equation children, right from equation 1. Okay, ನಮಗೆ equation 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದೆ, that is equal to QTR from equation 1. QPR is equal to 2 into QTR right from equation 1. Then QTR is equal to shift this to denominator, QPR by 2. So 1 by 2 QPR. So this is your answer. It is very easy children, no problem, don't worry. See, they have taken external angle and written. Okay, first in triangle TRS, sorry, QTR. In QTR external angle is R alva. R is equal to T plus Q anta barkondidvi. Next to PQR triangle alli R full angle tegondu barkondidvi. Angle R is equal to angle P plus Q anta bardidvi. Okay, that was equation number 1. So shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ equation ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. Okay, so this is what QTR ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. QTR is equal to ಈ angle ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. Now second angle triangle ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ QPR plus. So ಈ next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, full angle ತಗೊಂಡು 2 times QTR ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. 2 times TQR. ಓಕೆ, Q ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ TQR. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ? 2 times TRS ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. 2 ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಗ್ ಬರ್ದ್ವಿ? 2 times TRS ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ QPR as it is in the left. ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. TQR ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. TRS minus TQR. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು QTR ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1/2 QPR is equal to angle QTR ಬಂತು. Okay, children. Okay, children, this is your mirror question. Here, first find the angle Z, then bisecting angle anta heltidare. So 54/2 and 64/2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Y ಮತ್ತು Z angle ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then you can find angle O. Then here these two are parallel lines. Alternate angles are equal. So it is 35, 58. That is 88. So 180 minus 88 is 92. And here vertically opposite angles are equal. If you know 180 minus idu madidre nimge ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 180 minus 135 madre angle x sigate. So opposite angles are equal. 45 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So 70 plus 45, it is 120. So it is 60 degree. Here PQ is our parallel lines, QR is transversal. X plus 28 is equal to 65. Z shape angles, alternate angles are equal. X plus 28 is equal to 65 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So X now find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If you know X and 90 degree, you can find the value of Y. Yes, children. So nanu explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, I think all of you understood all the concepts, children. So in this we completed this lines and angles chapter. We'll continue the next class with the new chapter, that is Euclid's geometry. Keep practicing, all of you. Thank you.